Same mo Jericho. Janine, nasa tamang tao na nga ba? Kaya so fresh and blooming. Nagbahagi nga ang multi-awarded at kapamilya star na si Janine Gutierrez sa kanyang Instagram ng video ng ini-endorso niyang Nivea product. Ayon sa naging caption ni Janine, "Got trust issues? You'll definitely feel safe with me and hashtag Nivea PH. I am so happy to be part of hashtag Nivea PH Circle of Trust. Your go to skin-inspiring squad who will help you navigate your skincare issues so you can embrace your authentic selves and achieve your best skin ever. The skin you can believe in." Here's a snippet of the empowering Circle of Trust launch. If you want to see the change, put your trust in Nivea and see your skin transform. Hashtag Nivea is for skin.
Hi guys, so we're getting ready to go to the Nivea Circle of Trust event, and I'm super excited because we're seeing all the other ambassadors and the booths and celebrating Nivea and sharing why it's the most trusted skincare brand in the world.
With Nivea, I feel confident in my skin no matter what because of its powerful active ingredients. And I want to share how you can have that same confidence boost with Nivea today.
Hi guys, we made it. We're here at the Skin House for Nivea Circle of Trust launch, and there are so many booths inside. Usually there's so many things you can learn at the Nivea events about your skin and about the history of Nivea and why it's the most trusted skincare brand in the world. Come with me and let's learn more about our skin, and I'll share my favorite product, which is this.
We have beautiful skincare brands that are being sold in 180 countries.
With Nivea, you can have skin you can believe in. And through the Skin House event, I was able to discover more about improving my skin, whether through finding my colors or finding the best products for my skin concerns. I can honestly say that with Nivea, I feel the most confident.
And that's it for the Nivea Skin House. We went through all the booths, learned so much about our skin, and I'm so excited and happy to be part of the Nivea Circle of Trust and really represent and share with you guys my experience with Nivea, especially Nivea Luminous 630 and how to achieve luminous skin. This is really skin you can believe in.
Agad-agad namang nagkomento ang nobyo ni Janine na si Jericho Rosales ng Blue Heart na tila in love kay Janine, at ang suot nga ng dalaga ay so sexy na blue dress, kaya siguro Blue Heart din ang naging komento ni Eko. Agad namang pinagkaguluhan ng fans ang naturang post na yon ng dalaga. At Janine Gutierrez at Jericho Rosales, I love you guys. Always blooming. Been using it for 2 weeks and I am loving it. OMG, so happy to hear that. Gorgeous. Fave Sun Black and Lotion brand. Beautiful skin Nivea. If you are in the right person, sobra talagang nakaka-blooming. Ekonin, Nivea, and the smile. Proudly Nivea girl here. Nene, as always, you look super chill lang with so gorgeousness. Nasa tamang tao na kasi si Nene, kaya super blooming. Ayos Nivea body cream. Ganda mo talaga Janine. Nivea forever. Perfect endorser. Beautiful. Gamit ko, Nivea always. Anyway, kitang-kita naman kung gaano nga ka-blooming si Janine at so fresh talaga. Kaya nga hinihikayat niya ang marami na magtiwala sa Nivea na ini-endorso niya. Kaya naman lalong nahuhumaling sa ganda niya ang nobyong si Jericho dahil sa mga secret na ito ng actress. Kung nagustuhan niyo ang video na ito, comment down below.